I'm Piotr, a corporate presentations coach. My job, helping managers speak so people listen. Today I'm in Dubai. Come with me backstage and see how a workshop day really looks. For sure, you don't want to make slides like this. One thing is very important. What's the story of your presentation? Steve Jobs, when he introduced the iPod, he said a couple of times throughout his presentation, 1,000 songs in your pocket. When he introduced iPhone, he said, Apple reinvents the phone. And MacBook Air, the thinnest notebook in the world. These words, these statements, bold statements, were repeated a couple of times throughout the presentation. And the funny thing is that the next day, all the newspapers had exactly the same words as their title. And this is a persuasive presentation. And take a look how he shifted this narrative from problem to solution. First, he introduced the problem, then he introduced the solution, and afterwards presented some benefits and details. That is why I recommend watching his presentations, especially this one, iPhone presentation from 2007, the first 10 minutes, because it's all about problem, solution. The other 50-60 minutes of this presentation is about the benefits of the first iPhone, so it won't impress you. We've been under attack since 2016, and these numbers had been growing till 2021. And then in 2021, we decided to do something. We implemented a new security policy. It involved three things: broad workshops for our employees on cybersecurity, new firewalls on our servers, and double verification into our systems. What were the effects? Quite spectacular. Just after implementing this policy, these cyber attacks went hugely down. And in this year, in 2025, we are expecting to have them below 10.
It was really a great presentation. It was simple, informative and persuasive, your three-word rule that I use now.
One key thing that I took is that everything is not perfect. So it is still something that you will work on it, and every day is a chance to improve and things like that, because anytime you're going for a presentation or trying to do something, you go with a level of thinking that, okay, I have to do like 100%. It's okay to be 99.9% as well.
That was a really good reminder. For example, when you went on the informative slides, you focus on the conclusion first. Sometimes I also make that mistake, like we focus on the details first, and by the time we reach conclusion, we lose the confidence of the people or the attention of the people.
Another city, another group, but the vibe, the energy and the stories I hear are pretty much the same, and the problems people face with presentations are pretty much the same, but the unpredictability part is also there. So that's why I love this work.